And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Oh, that's cool. What am I? What you running in here, man?
6 Sundown XV3s on Def-Box 20K, normally 320Ks.
Yeah, that's outrageous right there, man.
A lot of C-Max.
There you go, man.
Still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so I appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.